Hello everyone, this is Marda, and today I'll be showing you guys how to create Discord server templates. So first off, you're gonna need a Discord server to create the templates. So I have this example server right here, as you may know from my previous videos. So this is just purging my old messages, but basically we need to create some channels. So I don't think you want to create this into a template, so we can go ahead and add another channel, and we can do like that can be something. That's a new channel, and then we can do like lol, that's another channel. We can add another voice channel. We can do like voice. I can see we added that. We can also add some nice rules here. So we have these rules from before. So now that we have done everything, you can do, of course, all the changes you probably did. And now you want to create a server template, which is under it's the lowest one under overview. So you guys can go ahead and go to server template. First off, you're gonna need to create a title. Make sure you read all this and gonna just copy your channel rules and permissions and default server settings. You can create a template title, so we can do like example template. I did not spell that right. And then you can do a template description. So this is a description for this template. So that's a basic description, so you guys can go ahead and do that. And we just generated a new link, and it's gonna give you a link right here, and you can go ahead and copy and give it to anyone you want to have the server template, I guess. So then we're gonna go into Chrome right now, and then you can post in the new link, and it's gonna go ahead and go to this. It's gonna open up in Discord. It opened up my other Discord, but it's alright. Here is my other Discord, and I use the link so I can do like so server name can be whatever, and I'm gonna show you the channel and the rules. And then you can upload a image, and then go ahead and create. There we go, guys. We have everything here. We have all the rules if we go ahead and look. And that's how you create a Discord server template and how to use it. Or share it. So if this was helpful for you, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Probably tomorrow. Goodbye, and I'm sorry the videos have been pretty low quality. I've been in school now. I know. It's shocker. I'm in school. So yeah, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful day, guys. Goodbye.